Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Friendship Heights Village, local and long-distance movers near me. You have finally landed a dream job you have been looking for ages but are still feeling dejected about packing when you should be excited about the big step you are about to take. Instead of worrying about packing and moving your stuff, hire services of a professional moving company to make your moving experience more enjoyable. Our moving staff at 3 men and a truck will protectively pack your belongings and ship everything safely to your new destination. All our movers are licensed and experienced in handling any uncertainties along the way. Whether you are moving to another city, state, or all the way internationally, we guarantee you damage-free and timely delivery of your belongings. You might be thinking that you're dodging the trouble of moving long distance, but are unaware that a local move is equally stressful. You still need to pack your stuff and move everything to your new space. Our movers streamline your whole moving process to make it faster and easier. No matter if your new home or office is a few miles away or just outside of Friendship Village, we'll get you packed and into your new space after only a few hours of hard work. Get ready to host a party on the night of a moving day instead of collapsing from fatigue. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Friendship Heights Village moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.